Hi everyone and welcome. Today, we are tackling a very common question: how to connect a domain you bought from Bluehost to your beautiful new Squarespace website. It might sound technical, but I promise it's a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. First, you need to get the specific instructions from Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and go to your dashboard. From there, click on Settings, and then select Domains. You'll see an option that says Use a domain I own. Click on it. Type your domain name, the one you have at Bluehost, into the box and hit Continue. On the next screen, click Connect Domain. Squarespace will ask who your domain provider is. Select Bluehost from the list. Squarespace will then show you the DNS settings you need. This is the most important part. You will see a list of records with columns for host, required data, and current data. Keep this page open in a browser tab. You'll need to copy this information. Now, open a new browser tab and log into your Bluehost account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Domains section in the left-hand menu. Find your domain name in the list and click the Manage button next to it. On the next page, look for and click on the DNS tab. This is where you will tell Bluehost where to point your domain. Now, let's go back and forth between your Squarespace tab and your Bluehost tab. First, we'll handle the name record. In your Squarespace tab, find the line with www in the host column. Copy the unique code in the required data column. It usually looks something like verify.squarespace.com. Now, go to your Bluehost DNS page. Scroll down to the name section. You should see a record that has www as the host. Click the three dots to edit it. In the Points to field, delete whatever is there and paste the code you just copied from Squarespace. Save your changes. Next, we'll edit the A records. Go back to your Squarespace tab. You will see 4 lines, and each of them has an @ symbol in the host column. These are 4 different IP addresses. You need all of them. Back in Bluehost, scroll to the A record section. You will likely see one A record with it as the host. Click to edit it. Replace the current IP address in the Points to field with the first IP address listed on your Squarespace page. Save it. Now, you need to add the other 3. Click the Add Record button. For the host, type @ For the Points to value, copy and paste the second IP address from Squarespace. Save it. Repeat this process 2 more times for the third and fourth IP addresses from Squarespace. When you are done, you should have 4 A records, all with it as the host, each pointing to one of the 4 different Squarespace IP addresses. Once all your records are updated in Bluehost, go back to your Squarespace tab. Click the Refresh button below the records. You might see some records show correct immediately, while others may still show an error. Don't worry. These changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to update across the internet. Just be patient. Once everything is connected correctly, your domain will be linked, and your Squarespace site will be live at your Bluehost domain name. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. See you in the next